Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Beginner English Speaking TV. I'm Mike, and this is my co-host, Sarah. If you're new here, our channel is dedicated to helping beginners like you gain confidence in speaking English through enjoyable, everyday conversations. We've covered topics like greetings, food, travel, shopping, and more. Today, we're exploring something close to everyone's heart. Talking about family and friends. Whether you're chatting with new acquaintances or sharing stories, these phrases will help you connect on a personal level.
That's right, Mike. Discussing family and friends is a great way to build relationships and practice English in real-life situations, like at parties, work, or online. In this episode, we'll go over introductions, descriptions, and common questions about loved ones. We'll keep it simple, slow, and full of repetition so you can easily follow along. Remember, practice makes perfect. So grab a notebook or just repeat out loud as we go.
Absolutely. In this lesson, you will practice several key skills to boost your English. First, speaking will have you saying phrases out loud. Second, listening. Tune your ears to natural dialogues. Third, shadowing. That's where you repeat after us to mimic pronunciation. Fourth, pronunciation. We'll break down tricky sounds. And fifth, vocabulary. Building your word bank with family and friendship essentials. By the end, you'll feel ready to share about your own family and friends.
And don't skip to the end. We've got a fun practice quiz waiting for you to test what you've learned. Plus, if you stick around, you'll get tips on how to use these phrases in real life. Let's get started. Are you excited? We sure are.
Okay, friends, let's start with listening practice. This is a short dialogue between two people talking about family. I'll play one person and Sarah the other. We'll speak slowly first so you can hear every word clearly. Just listen and try to understand. No need to repeat yet. That's coming later. Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
What about your parents?
My mom is a teacher and my dad is a doctor.
That sounds nice. Do you have any close friends?
Yes, my best friend is Anna. We've known each other for 10 years.
Great job listening. Now let's hear it again, but a little faster this time. This is how people might speak in a real conversation. Not too fast, but natural. Pay attention to the rhythm and intonation. Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
What about your parents?
My mom is a teacher and my dad is a doctor.
That sounds nice. Do you have any close friends?
Yes, my best friend is Anna. We've known each other for 10 years. How did that sound? If it was tricky, don't worry. We'll break it down more in the next sections. Listening gets easier with repetition. Let's move on to building your vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation of any conversation. So let's learn some useful words about family and friends. These are common terms you'll hear or use when sharing personal stories. I'll say each word slowly, show you how to pronounce it, and give a quick definition. Then, repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. First word, family. This is how you pronounce it. Family. all the people related to you by blood or marriage. Family. Next, brother. This is how you pronounce it. Brother. A male sibling. Brother. Sister. This is how you pronounce it. Sister. A female sibling. Sister. Parents. This is how you pronounce it. Parents. Your mom and dad. Parents. Friend. This is how you pronounce it. Friend. Someone you like and trust, not family. Friend. Best friend. This is how you pronounce it. Best friend. Your closest friend. Best friend. Spouse. This is how you pronounce it. Spouse. Your husband or wife. Spouse. Children. This is how you pronounce it. Children. Sons and daughters. Children.
Excellent. Now that you've got the words, let's use them in short phrases. This will help you remember how they fit into sentences. I'll say each phrase slowly, explain it briefly, and pause for you to repeat. First, I have a big family. This describes having many relatives. I have a big family. Second, my brother is older than me. Talking about a sibling. My brother is older than me.
Shadowing is a powerful technique where you repeat exactly what we say, trying to match our speed, tone, and pronunciation. It's like echoing us. This helps with fluency and accent. We'll start slow with sentences using our new vocabulary. Repeat after us. Speak out loud.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What do your parents do?
My mom is a nurse, and my dad is retired.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is from school.
How many children do you have?
Fantastic! Now let's say them a little faster to build speed. Ready? Focus on the natural flow. Don't rush if it's hard.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What do your parents do?
My mom is a nurse and my dad is retired.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is from school.
How many children do you have? How do you feel? Shadowing might feel awkward at first, but it's one of the best ways to sound more natural. Keep practicing this section multiple times. Now, let's put it all together in a role play. Time for role play. This is where we act out a full conversation. I'll be one friend and Sarah the other. Watch and listen first. Then we'll invite you to join.
Hi, tell me about your family.
Sure. I have a wife and 2 kids.
What are their names?
My wife's name is Lisa, and my children are Tom and Emily.
That's wonderful. Do you have siblings?
Yes, one sister. She's my best friend, too.
Cool. How about your friends?
I have a close friend named John. We met at work.
See, simple and straightforward. Now, let's make it interactive. You be person A and I'll be person B. I'll say my lines, then pause for you to respond as person A. Speak out loud. Hi, tell me about your family. Pause for 10 seconds. What are their names? Pause. That's wonderful. Do you have siblings? Pause. Cool. How about your friends? Pause.
Awesome. Now switch roles. You be person B and Sarah will be person A. Respond to her lines. Sure, I have a wife and 2 kids. Pause. My wife's name is Lisa and my children are Tom and Emily. Pause. Yes, one sister. She's my best friend too. Pause. I have a close friend named John. Pause. Practice both sides to get comfortable. Role plays like this build real-world confidence. If you have a friend, try it with them.
For extra practice, here are more real phrases about family and friends. These go beyond basics, useful for deeper conversations or introductions. Shadow us again, repeat after each line. How old is your brother? He's 25 years old. Where does your family live? They live in New York. How did you meet your best friend? We met at university. Do you see your friends often? Yes, we hang out every weekend. These phrases can help you keep the conversation going. Repeat this section daily. Now, test yourself with our quiz. Now it's time for a short quiz to review. We'll ask questions based on the dialogues. Choose the best answer out loud or in your mind. We'll reveal the correct one after a pause. Question 1. How many siblings does Sarah have in the listening dialogue? A. 1 brother and 1 sister. B. 2 brothers and 1 sister. C. 3 brothers. The answer is B. 2 brothers and 1 sister from our listening practice. Question 2. What is Sarah's mom's job? A. Doctor. B. Teacher. C. Nurse. Correct is B. Teacher. Question 3. How long has Sarah known her best friend? A. 5 years. B. 10 years. C. 15 years. Answer B. 10 years. Question 4. In the role play, what is Mike's sister's relation to him? A. Just the sister. B. His best friend too. C. A coworker. Right. B. His best friend too. Great job! If you got them all, congrats. If not, rewind and review. Repeating the video helps solidify these phrases. If you enjoyed this lesson on talking about family and friends, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Beginner English Speaking TV for more beginner-friendly English practice. Hit the bell for notifications so you never miss an episode. And remember, the key to improving English is consistent practice. Try using these phrases when chatting with friends or family. Even start in your native language and switch to English. Share in the comments. What's one thing about your family you'd like to share? See you in the next episode. Bye for now.